Recently, SD has updated a decent sun model. So I also conducted the corresponding tests. Here, I made some basic settings, loaded an image, and gave it a completely irrelevant prompt. When the weights are all equal, the result is close to the original image. When the weight was 0.9, a little flower appeared. Then the weight was 0.8, and the flower grew bigger. A leaf appeared at 0.7. When the weight reaches 0.6, the main subject disappears, leaving only the outline. If you go any further down, the main characters will no longer appear at all. That's the first function of the Tile model. It can control the visuals. Then, second function of the GAN model is that in the version 1.5 released long ago, it could generate new details while ignoring old ones. So every time we use the ControlNet model for images, we're actually generating from scratch, not doing image-to-image conversion. That's completely different. That left one is an image I generated directly using the SDXL model, and then I edited it to get the second image. The prompt for the second image emphasizes the tentacles of Kosuru. The weight of Tide was set to 0.7. At this point, the composition and style were still similar, but this wasn't the result I wanted. So I created the third image, which is the one on the right, keeping the tentacles of Kosuge in the positive prompt and increasing the weight of Tide to 0.9. At this stage, the position of the character and the street lamp were almost exactly the same, allowing the effect of the tentacle on the ground to be clearly shown.
Navigate to RunningHub AI or click the link in the introduction to register and receive 120 points daily login rewards of 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.